Right, the first issue I've had before I even started camping. I can't get through the door. This is going to be a long weekend. Not even set off and we're having to deal with a flat tyre. This is going to be a long weekend. Right, we've just arrived. Oh, I was just talking to the camera, and like that's the standard of the tent that are already here. I already feel very much outside of my depth. This is going to be a long weekend. Right, I already feel like I've lost something. I don't know how this is going to look. Anything like that. Right, here we go. Setting up a tent for the second time ever. Actually, third time. The first time it blew over, so I don't count it. I bought these because I honestly don't know if they come with the tent I bought. I just don't know how this is meant to be. Someone want to live in it for a week. Alright, there is instructions. Much like any alpha male, which as you can see I very much am. I did not read the instructions. It says there should be 9 tent pegs.
Okay, well you got plenty.
But I don't think that there is. Maybe I'm supposed to provide them.
You had a whole bag full of tent pegs.
Yeah, but I thought it came with it. I'll tell you what, I am glad that I didn't trust myself enough to buy them.
I'm glad you created that, because most tents come with tent pegs.
Well, this was a really cheap one.
Okay.
Yeah. As you'll see.
It's nice that we've got this tree coverage, so it's not too breezy.
I don't know, John, but I assume you're correct.
If we were in an exposed field and there was a high wind, it's a lot harder to put the tent up in the wind.
See that? If you could hear that, I don't know if you can hear John on this camera, but there's some actual knowledge, probably the only knowledge that will end up in this video. I'll tell you what is annoying. I've literally been doing this, what, 5 minutes? I've already got heartburn. Look at that, we're halfway there according to this. Oh, I can't wait to live in that. Why do I always get this sweaty? Like, it don't matter whatever it is I'm doing, this should be relatively low energy this, and yet my back has never been wetter. This is John just showing off about one, that he's got an airbed, and two, how unsweaty he is. Whereas you know for a fact, if I was doing this, I would have turned into a puddle. Oh. Hope you know this is going in fully unedited. Yeah. People are going to go. Yeah, people are going to go. Oh, that's Danny Pensive. He's very in shape underneath the duffel coat. Oh. I know you couldn't see it, but I did that final one without the hammer. That has reminded me that I definitely should have got an airbed. I knew there was something. I'd show you around the tent, but it's literally that. It's literally this, but the same on the other sides. This is arguably the exciting side because it's got a zip. If you want to know what the insides look like, very much this, but the other side. Tell you what, I am glad that I got those pegs because this tent didn't come with any. So I'd have been very much up a creek without a paddle. I had to catch people who haven't bathed in a while. Managed to find the pegs because it was quite clearly pegs, and come right at the right moment when I've already put everything up. Typical. I think I'm ready for a holiday from this holiday. Why am I so wet? Yeah, people do this for fun. I'm yet to be convinced. I've just got back to my tent to find out that my grapes have been stolen. I don't think it takes Agatha Christie to work out that there was some squirrels running away as I approached the tent. It's nice to know that even nature reminds me that you're not too far away from having all your stuff stolen.
Well, I'm glad it was 50
I've never seen the film The Grapes of Wrath, but I assume that that's what it's about. Squirrels stealing fruit on a Welsh campsite. Look at that trail of great destruction. More scenes of the crime. I'm hoping that if I ring the police, they'll put like a white chalk line around this punnet.
They might still be edible.
I'm hoping to catch him in the act. Right, it's been about half an hour, and John, he's just off camera, has told me that they're not going to come for the crusts because like they're only going to be after like like high sugar kind of stuff like fruit. And what I've done is I've confused squirrels with ducks. Easy done. John, can you just confirm for the people of YouTube, we've come back, that crust is gone. My theory about them wanting that crust is correct.
But that crust's still there.
Yeah, but they wouldn't have known about this crust here because that's in the packet. But the one over there's gone.
The one over there's gone.
So there you go.
The dog just there, and the dog just could have come over and had the sandwiches. The squirrel might not have been the squirrel, dude.
The plot thickens. I don't know if anyone's ever got one of these out of one of these and managed to get it back in. I think it's nigh on impossible. Feel bad doing this, but I gotta sleep. Alright, let's see how we get on with this. It's quite comfy actually, this travel pillow. I just wish it didn't. God, look how fat it makes me look. It's not a good look. Oh, God. Oh, it's not the pillow doing that. It's just my head. Right, so we've come to this place in Wales, right, called Llangors Lake. And, well, I'll let you see for yourself. And I'm quite looking forward to it, because, like, everyone needs a bit of a break, don't they? You know, I've done, because of the pandemic and stuff, most of the videos have been located within about fucking 10 feet of my house this last year or so. So, thought I'd come and have a bit of a retreat and a getaway. Right, so this sign here says that Breacon Beacons is like a particularly like a special, dead special landscape. So I'll just show you around. I feel it looks exactly the same as all the other green places I sometimes come to. Look at that, exactly the same, just a field. How come all these ducks can enjoy the lovely lake and yet I'm not allowed to go do nothing? So yeah, so I got all the way to the lake and can't go in it. Well, not that I was gonna go in it, but you can't do shit all at this lake now. Honestly, absolute piss take. I've come here for the lake. I'm not allowed to do nothing on the lake. It's like a metaphor for this entire year.
Might be easy, but we all do that.
Don't even matter, it's rusty. What do I want that for? What's this sword good for other than giving you tetanus?
At least try and pull it out.
No, I don't want to. I don't want tetanus. Look at that. It's not about whether or not I'm worthy, it's whether or not I've had my jabs. Which I haven't. I'm heading towards Hagrid's house now, it looks like. Let's just hope it's Hagrid in there, not J.K. Rowling. Can't be doing no transphobic shit today.